Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Meenakshi. School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script on the theme Happiness. And the script is: everyone has highs and lows that they have to learn from. But every morning I start off with a good head on my shoulders, saying to myself, it's going to be a good day. And I appeal to you all, say to yourself that it's going to be a good. With these motivational lines, heartiest morning to each and everyone present here. And this is Meenakshi from class 8 standing here to present today's morning assembly on the theme Happiness. Happiness. Everybody wants to be happy in this world and chases it. The purpose of our life is to be happy, and it is something that comes from our own actions. Or we can say that it depends upon ourselves. And with this, let's start today's morning assembly. Prayer is one of the most powerful forces in the world. Dear Lord, we pray that you bless us with true happiness and peace in life. Lead us away from hate and anger toward love. With this, everybody, join your hands, close your eyes, and start prayer. After prayer, dear friends, we should be loyal and patriotic towards our country. Defend the land and take pride in what our country stands for. Pledge of Allegiance instills the sense of patriotism amongst us. Let us recite the pledge with pride, and I am inviting on stage Veer from class 8 to recite pledge. Thank you, Veer. When we have good feelings for others, we can feel a state of constant happiness, or it brings happiness to the self. We should have good wishes and pure feelings in our heart for everyone, because it is biggest secret of happiness. Hence be happy and share it generously to make others happy too, who also need it. And with this, I would like to invite on stage Ria from class 8 for today's thought. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ria. Thought of the day is: thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, Ria. Dear friends, newspaper is rich sources of knowledge, creativity, and inspiration. When we read it, we gain knowledge about our city, state, country, and the world. But in the hustle bustle of life, we rarely get time to read newspaper. So for today's news update, I would like to invite on stage Sunidhi from class 8. Thank you very much, Sunidhi, for today's news update. Happiness cannot be traveled to, owned, earned, worn, or consumed. Happiness is the spiritual experience of living every minute with love, grace, and gratitude. And definitely, every single person in this galaxy deserves happiness and deserves to be loved. Dear all, what is true happiness? It gives us an awesome feeling about ourselves, and we feel thankful for everything that we have in our life. And with this, I would like to invite on stage Riddhima from class 8 to speak on the topic, the importance of happiness. Thank you very much, Riddhima. Language is a powerful tool to improve our speaking and writing skills. It's important to improve our vocabulary, and now let's build our vocabulary with new word. For word of the day, I would like to invite on stage Vibhu from class 8. Good morning to all. My name is Vibhu. Word of the day is felicity, which means intense happiness. Synonyms of felicity are bliss and ecstasy. Antonyms are despair, hate. I'm using this in a sentence. When my mother watched me as an IAS, she had such a look of felicity on her face. Thank you. Thank you very much, Vibhu. Isn't good idea to enlighten people that true happiness can be found in simple things? Yes, it's good. Happiness poems inspire us to look out in the world and be grateful for many good things around us. Dear friends, different things in nature, friends, or family relationships fill us with great happiness. And let's we take inspiration from the next. That is a poem. And I would like to invite on stage Deepin from class 8 to recite a poem. Thank you, Deepin. Who doesn't want to be happy? Everybody wants happiness. It is human nature to be seeking happiness and a healthier well being each day. It's time to share with you few facts about happiness. And next, I would like to invite on stage Gaurav from class 8th. Good morning, everyone. And this is Gaurav from class 8th, and I would like to share with you few facts about happiness. Happiness has power over our immune system. Happiness can help alleviate pain. Laughing improves well being and mood, but it also increases endorphins and our pain threshold. A sad mood may influence our memory. Next, research suggests that happiness and other good vibes are extremely contagious. And next, mental health is the strongest indicator of happiness. Next, creativity on one day predicted happiness on the next. Out of all words, the word love is most associated with the word happiness. Thank you. Thank you very much, Gaurav. Our national anthem is our pride, and we are proud of it. It highlights our national heritage and demonstrates patriotism and loyalty to our country. Let us sing together the pride of our country, our national anthem. And after national anthem, be healthy and take care of yourself, but be happy with the beautiful things that make you you. And with this, thank you to all of you for cooperating. Have a nice day ahead.